Hi, it's Rachel Todman from Consortium Private Wealth. Just here to chat to you today how planning can help create a happy retirement, but with a bit of a twist. So there's endless books, websites, information out there that are dedicated to preparing yourself financially for retirement. But what about preparing yourself mentally? It's one of the most massive changes in your life. It's a transition that you need to take some time to ensure that you're ready for it. So suddenly you've got a huge amount of spare time. Sounds awesome, doesn't it? Being employed's taken up so much of this time, far more time than anything else you'll do in your life. And once you retire, you'll suddenly find you have huge amounts of free time, which can be both exciting and terrifying. You don't want to end up stuck in front of the TV. There's only so much Netflix I'm sure you can watch. And you don't want to be doing that just because you can't think of anything else to do. The other side to that, which is important too, is you do need to give yourself permission to enjoy that downtime and to not feel guilty about it. You have worked hard, so do take the time to enjoy it. Finding a new purpose. So our identities are often tied up with our jobs. So finishing work can be like losing a part of your identity and a part of yourself. So in retirement, it's important to find a new purpose to bring you that enjoyment and fill that void. It could be things such as volunteering for a community organisation. There's plenty out there. And not only are you helping them, you'll get a lot out of it, a lot of satisfaction and a lot of purpose to go with it, as well as creating new social connections. Set some goals to work towards during your retirement. So it could be while your mind and your body allows you to. It's really important to do things such as you may like to travel. You may want to redo the garden. So just setting those little items, little bucket list things, gives you something to look forward to, as well as that sense of satisfaction. It's important to stay fit and healthy during retirement. Exercise doesn't come easy to all of us, certainly doesn't come easy to me. But little things such as just going for a walk on a daily basis, or you might join the local gym. You might get a workout buddy for motivation, to keep you going. As well as physical, keeping your brain active is really important. So things just as simple as reading a book, crosswords, different puzzles, things like that. Not only is it good, giving you something to do, but it's shown that the long-term benefits, helping to prevent Alzheimer's and dementia are there too. So it's a win-win. Now, it's important to maintain your social connections or create new ones. Studies have found that 1 in 8 retirees have felt cut off from society, and 10% felt lonely always or often. So put yourself out there, don't retreat to yourself during retirement, and make an effort to connect with your family and friends more often, and throw yourself into activities that will get you amongst the community. Now, if you're unsure about whether or not you want to retire, it can help to make that decision by using your long service leave, taking leave without pay. You could look at reducing your hours gradually, just if your job allows, just to make that transition a little bit more easy, just to test the water. You don't always have to jump in straight away. So thanks for listening. Hope you found some of this information helpful, and just look at the bigger picture. While the financial stuff's really important, we need that to be happy and be able to do the things that we enjoy. We also want you just to consider the emotional impact and planning that's also needs to be part of the process. All right, thanks for listening. Talk again soon.